now. All right. I'm out of breath. I just ran up here. Shoot. Can't even get no breath. Paste that. Tweet. And it's sent out. Easy to go. Easy to go. Yeah, I'm going to start like that. Let me share this link. What up? How doing? Let's get this going. Y'all know what it is. What's good, Brandon Lewis? What's good, Crawfish? How y'all doing? What's good, brothers? Let's see. Y'all know who it is. Cash Flow Nexus giving you the latest and greatest updates on the charts every day of the week. You know what it is. Let me see. Ooh, this thing acting funny today. It's all good, man. What's up? What's up? Yeah, man. Today has been a great day. I've been busy all day. I finally had a chance to get a nap like an hour ago, and that was enough. So hopefully I'm alive. I'll tell y'all about that when more people jump on here. But yeah, I love today. Today I've been up early. You know, it was an early day today. If y'all are just jumping on this live, hit that like button, share this live stream, and let's get the party going, you guys. Let's go. What's up, Zach? How you doing, man? God bless, bro. Hope to see you this Sunday. Let's go. Let me see. All right, and I'm about to put this live feed on Facebook so people could jump on too. So bear with me. I'm just trying to get things going. Let's see. Copy the link. Let's go. You alive and well, man? That's what's up. That's what I like to hear. Like to hear positive days. People having a positive day. We are looking bullish. We are looking very bullish. Very bullish right now. So we do have a threshold that we need to break though before we move higher. So let's pray and let's hope the Lord blesses us with that break at that threshold, because I think it's gonna take off after that threshold's broken. Dun, dun, let's see. If y'all are just jumping on, hit that like button. Y'all know what the deal is. Show some love. Let's get this party started. Let's go. Let's go. There we go, right there. All right, here we go. Bam. I got 2 more links to send out, and then I'm good to go. There we go. We good. What's up, Kitchen? What's up, man? How you doing, brother? How's it going? How's it going? Today has been a long day, man. I'm gonna give you a story of how my day went, but I'm gonna let more people jump on here. If y'all just jumping in, hit that like button. Let me know that y'all showing some love and appreciation for this live feed, and let's get going. Yeah, I need some music in the background. I'm trying to figure out how to set that up. I'm actually been looking over some tutorials how to set that up, because I want to make it right the first time. So bear with me, because I listen to all types of music. As y'all know, if y'all follow me on Instagram, I listen to a variety of music. So I'm like a nerd in that sense. I just can't get down with country music, so you won't hear no country music on this channel. I can't do it. I just can't, unless you could find me a good country song. then we could, we might have to play it. But I haven't found no country song that I like. But yeah, I do need some music in my background, man. Let's see. So should I buy some now? My girl is wondering. I told her I don't wait. Yeah, man, get it while you can. Get it while it's hot is what I say. Get it while it's hot. And we know XRP is the hot topic. We already know XRP is going to be the hottest. It's already talked about. It's the most hated. It's like the Dallas Cowboys, the most hated team, even though they trash, but it's the most hated team in the NFL. What's up, Action Jackson? How you doing, man? How you doing? Oh, you got a guy that could do a beat for me? Yeah, send him my way. Yeah, whatever beat he got, send him my way. I want to see what beats he could come up with. I like, chill vibe type of feel. I like that chill vibe. But yeah, let me know. I'm about to crack this. Let me see. Let me pop this up. Yeah, yeah, definitely hit that button, y'all. Let's get some more people on this live stream. YouTube algorithm's crazy. That's how it works. The more likes, the more people jump on here. So let's pop those likes up. We got 9-10 people on here, I think. I don't see actual numbers, but those numbers aren't always legit until the live feed's actually finished. So I don't know how many people are really on here. So we see. Dun dun dun. Let's go. So most of the people that are on the live feed knows what XRP is and know what it's supposed to do. And so I'm gonna, talk about it a little bit. Hey, dabble on that a little bit, but because a lot of people don't understand what they truly hold in XRP. So I will talk about that a little bit today as well. But for you Bitcoin people that are on here, if y'all do jump on here, just know XRP is better than your Bitcoin. I'm not trying to hate because, I don't hate. But if you look at the facts and you look at the history, not the price, but you look at the history of, built and established, XRP is by far the most dominant cryptocurrency out there. So let's go to this chart real fast. Everything's just slow today, loading up. Don't know why, but everything's slow today. But I will start talking about my day. You guys, man, God has taught me and shown me a lot today. Let's see, who is that? Chanel, what's up? How you doing? What's going on? Everything going good with you? Everything's going good over here. I had a learning lesson today. God had to shake me up a little bit today. He had to reveal some stuff in myself. So I want to talk to you guys about that. I don't have a scripture. I don't have a prayer today. What I have is a lesson today for you guys. And that lesson, God opened my eyes and he showed me a weakness of mine. And it stems from, past stuff that I've been through. And it's pretty much based off it stems from me going through doing a lot of stuff on my own, like from building businesses, not getting support. If you guys know about building a business or being an entrepreneur or doing stuff by yourself, that most of the time people do not want to be there for you, and most people don't want to actually extend a hand to you or olive branch to you until they see that you're successful. So most of what I've done in my life, from business to building what God has told me to build, it's pretty much been on my own. So it's gotten to that point where God's like saying, let me take the wheel now, because you done what you can, so you need to chill out, boy. So it's funny because I have a little pride when I have work. When I do my work, I have a little pride in it. I have a little I like to be in control of doing stuff. But sometimes God's saying you don't, cast your cares upon me and I will take care of them. And it gets to that point where in life where you have to really let go. Like people don't understand what letting go truly means when it comes to God. And you may think you have the full concept, but he's saying total submission, total obedience, total let it go. Like from relationships, like you guys don't understand relationships too. Like for example, like I have not been in a relationship for the last 2 years. I've been, getting myself back together. You know, I do have, somebody in mind, but, just taking my time in that. But, when it comes to, letting go and letting God, you have to get out his way and let him really, you know, navigate and be the author of your life. And that's really a hard concept for people that take initiative and do things on their own. And that's something that I actually struggle with because I'm so used to doing so much on my own and so much to doing things by myself. So I'm learning to sit back and let him take the wheel because it is not easy. I'm like, Lord, you said you're gonna do this. Do this. I'm not trying to be mean, but Lord, if he's like, okay, well, I'm gonna do it, but you're gonna have to be, you're gonna have to act right first. So I did want to say that because that's something that he exposed to me today. So I I definitely wanted to share that with you guys. Just learn to really ask God this: where am I weak at, and what can I give you and have in your control and not mine. Like whether it be your relationships, whether it be your business, your investing, your career path, your decisions in life, whether it be your ministry, what directions to take in your life. We get so caught up with taking control of things and living by our own means that we don't surrender everything to him. So that's where I'm at, and surrendering is definitely a hard thing. So you guys, you pray for me. I'm getting there. I'm so close to total submission. It's right around the corner, but man, it's hard. It is very hard. So yeah, definitely pray for me, you guys, and because he wants to take me to a place that I've never been to. So I'm excited about that. He just asked me for total submission. Huh, that's interesting. More XRP to buy, yes. Get as much as you can while it's hot. Amen. Everything, allow his will to overtake yours. Yes, I need to do that, Chanel. Pray for me on that. It is hard because I seen what he can do when you fully let him do what he needs to do. It's just distractions get in your way, your problems that you might have, cares that you have, that you want. But yeah, it's difficult to, because the human mind, sometimes you got to take those thoughts captive when it happens. So yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting letting go and letting God do his thing. Excuse me. Let's see. I just need 2 weeks, man. Yeah, man. You better hope it stays under 50 cents for 2 weeks. Who knows? Because right now it is XRP. You never know. XRP is making a rally right now. If y'all see right here where I marked it the other day, I said it would go up. You see that it's went up since then. So, haha, another win for the team. Let's see. You funny, Abdul. You a hater, man. I don't know. Man, why you such a hater on XRP, man? You gotta explain the hate. You're like that. You're like a Patriot fan hating the Cowboys. Let's see. We have to sacrifice the flesh. It's hard. Yeah, that's why he requires us to fast and pray, because fasting is a good way to sacrifice the flesh. It's denying your flesh. So when you are making that sacrifice in a fast, you're actually telling your flesh that you're overcoming your flesh and you're building your spirit, man, that's in you. So yes, you gotta definitely make that sacrifice of the flesh, man. I appreciate that, Kitchen, and bringing that to attention. So yes, that's very true. Let's see. Tell him, Chanel. XRP ain't dead. Tell him. You too, Zach. Tell him. Man, you in for a rude awakening, man, when XRP takes off. When it takes off, you're going to be one of the people that are like, I wish I invested in XRP, but I missed out. And you got to call everybody lucky. So I'm just saying, bro, you you better get on now before you miss that opportunity. You're going to be crying. What's up, Smacker Neil? Yeah. You just bought some now? Okay, that's a 10% consulting fee. 10%, bro. 10% consulting fee. Send it my way. Let's see. Cash, I still think it's September, but it could jump to 50 this month. But next month is the big moves. I agree. Next month is the big moves. I really believe that it's going to jump to crazy, insane prices. Especially since it's going to be having all the money. It's going to be the Amazon and the standard of cryptocurrency. Why not jump on XRP train? Y'all missing out for real. Actually, let me pour that in. But yeah, I'm excited about XRP. I'm trying to get as much as I can, so we will see how that goes. I wrote a poem. I don't know if y'all want to hear it, but if y'all are interested in poetry, let me know, because I will, that's another talent that I don't get to display too much. So if y'all want to hear some poetry sometimes, let me know and I will post some poetry on here or recite some poetry on this, on here. So let me know if y'all like to hear that. Let's see. XRP is legit the standard. I'm not investing in XRP, the coin. XRP, the ledger, is the main thing to watch. XRP is the future. 10K, baby. Yep. I hodl Cardano and VeChain too, but I know what is gold. Yep. How much XRP do you have? Can you tell us? We are all family. And no, I will never tell you how much money I am making or have unless I really want to. When it comes to XRP or investing, I will never share that information because gold diggers watch this live stream. So no, never. Dude, would you want a gold digger knowing how much money you had? Nah. I'm just telling you, man. If people found out how much how much you had, man. I know a few people that are in the 1% in investing in XRP, and it's actually crazy. So yeah, that just lets you know that money's all around. Am I really an investor or am I trolling y'all? No, I'm really an investor. If you pay attention to my Twitter, you could definitely see that I trade XRP and I am invested in XRP. So there's definitely no trolling there. You could read your poem. All right, I'll have to pull one out because I got quite a few poems to read, or I have a few that I could read. I'm fine with it. I write too. Oh, you write too, man? I didn't know you write. Yeah, check me up on Cash Flow Nexus on Twitter. At Cash Flow Nexus on Twitter. So yeah, definitely check that out. And I've been trading XRP since 2017, so I could show you. Oh yeah, and check out my Instagram if you want to really know my trading. Check me out on Instagram at Cash Flow Nexus because I have trading profits on there too. I don't show too much all the time, but I do show what I can because I don't want to make money a priority in my life. I want to make Jesus Christ a priority. So yeah, if Abdul, if you want to check my Instagram as well, go to Instagram at Cash Flow Nexus, and you will see that I've been trading since 2017. And I wasn't invested until later, 2018. I was trading it, day trading it since 2017 because I realized that the market was going to drop. So I didn't know how big it was going to drop. But when it did drop, I was like, man, because I was trading XRP when it was 75 cents. So I have the screenshots to prove that too. So you could definitely check out my Instagram if you don't believe me. Let me see. Da-da. Please, Lord Jesus, stay this low for 2 weeks. Sorry to chat. Sorry to this chat. No, man. We need XRP to move. Yeah, I feel you though, Zach, man. XRP, watching XRP is kind of hard, man. It's one of those assets that you're like, come on, we know what you're going to do, but we just need you to do it now. Like, But yeah, and if you want, I wish my student was on here because he could tell you how much money he made from our Discord group in a week. He made $1,400 day trading in 1 week on XRP. So, and that was based off a signal that I called. So about that, if you guys are interested in being a student and getting exclusive content on my YouTube channel, I just now put a join membership on my channel. So I have a lot of perks. You could go ahead and check out the perks on my channel. If you want to be a member, you could get access to my Discord group, one-on-one day trading education, group education, Ichimoku trading education. If you are interested in that at all, definitely go to my YouTube page and hit the join button and read all the perks that you get. And I'm going to be adding more perks as time progresses because when the bag gets bigger, the more I could give back to you guys. So definitely believe the how this is going to play out really well for everybody. Let's see. Just realized it was the one. Bro, I got a big money come in it, man. I just want my last buy. I'll hit a big bag goal I'll never thought I hit. Okay, yeah, man. As long as you're getting that bag up, get it. What's up, Edgar? How you doing, man? What's up? What's up? How you doing? Big bags packing. What's is the news about XRP being / trying to have a way a payment for? So yeah, that's actually interesting. Oh man, someone's trying to expose me. That's funny. Let's see. With Amazon, the payment to Amazon, we already know that. I think Amazon is already starting to accept cryptocurrency payments. If you go to their site, I believe they have some form of crypto payment. A lot of places are going digital in payments, so Amazon is one of them, Edgar. There is more detail on that. I need to find the article, but if I find that article, if you want, I could private message you that article or find some information on that for you. So if you are interested in that, I could do that for you, brother. Man, who? Yes, that's my birth name. How's it pronounced? Man, you okay? So you're the ex. You know what? I respect you. I respect you a lot because you are the very first person to ask me how's my name pronounced, and my name also has a meaning behind it too. So I'm actually glad that you're actually really the first person that asked me how to pronounce my name. So I will ask. I will not ask. I will tell you. So it's pronounced Chuku Ameka Inabuaku. So I'm glad I could share that with you. You're actually the first one to ask that. So much respect to you. Let's see. Man, sell Bitcoin. Sell Bitcoin. So yeah, no problem, Edgar. No problem. So I want to say this. I want to go to where is it? I want to go to Twitter real fast because my friend, she just started her podcast today. So I want to show some respect to her and shout her out. So let me find her page so I could send y'all her way to check out her podcast. She has a lot of uplifting information and energy and all that. So I definitely would like y'all to support her and go ahead and check out her her podcast as well. If this thing could load any faster, I will show y'all. All right, so let me go ahead and pull it up. Bam, bam. Right here, her name is Vivian Relena, so you could check her out. She's a cheerleader. She has her own YouTube channel as well. We actually done a collab video in the past. So if y'all wanna, see her collab with me one day again, let me know, because she could be on my YouTube channel. But here's her podcast right here. So check it out. I just want to plug it in. She's just started her first podcast today, so she's excited about that. So definitely, subscribe to her. Check out her YouTube channel. Check out her Instagram. She has a pretty good following, and everybody's pretty sincere, and they get a lot of energy from her. So definitely, check her out. All right. Appreciate that. I just wanted to give her a shout out. Let's see. Let me go back to XRP chart real quick. And we're going to get started in a bit on this analysis. But, you guys, I'm bullish XRP. I have nothing but big goals when it comes to XRP. I think it may range a little bit just looking at the charts. Let me check some real quick. Let me check my phone. Dun, dun, dun. All right. I got so many messages. I'm trying to figure out which ones to read on here. But when it comes to XRP, I have XRP doing some crazy things. Let me show y'all why. Because, some people are still brand new to the crypto space. So let me give you a little education on what XRP is. So I'm going to go to the Ripple page for you guys. I'm going to show you why XRP is better, why XRP is, the future of payments, and why it's going to be the standard of payments in the future. So if y'all never been to the Ripple page, here it is. Y'all could check it out. It's pretty fly. It's pretty nice. Actually, I need them to design a website too. But here it is. XRP, the best digital asset for global payments. Facts. XRP offers financial institutions the fastest, most reliable option for sourcing liquidity on demand. More facts. So here we go. What is XRP? We already know XRP is the greatest digital asset, but let's go. XRP is the digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. Last time I checked Bitcoin, it takes 60 minutes to do a transaction. When I make, since I use Bitcoin, the only time I use Bitcoin is when I'm funding my trading account. The only reason why is because they don't have XRP as an option. If they had XRP as an option, I would take that over Bitcoin. But until they do that, then I have to use Bitcoin. But they don't use anything else. But here I'm gonna continue reading. XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. All right. So how is it used? Faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset. XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments, third parties, and also pursuing other XRP related use cases. So you guys, if y'all don't understand, people don't understand that we have a problem in the liquidity area when it comes to the financial system that we had, which was Swift. You got to understand that there was a thing called slippage. And so anybody that's not familiar with what slippage is so whenever there's slippage in the market, so like Forex, what happens is there's so much money that's being moved, like $5.3 trillion a day. When that much money is being moved, there's going to be money lost because they don't know how the system is slow and it's not it's a 3 to 7 day system, as XRP is a 3 second system, 3 to 5 seconds. So we know that XRP is clearly the better, use in that use case in that. And the reason why slippage happened is because there's no liquidity, so, or lack of liquidity. So that's where XRP fixes the gap, because you get your money quicker, you get your money, you don't miss out where the money's going. You see where it's going, you know where it's going, and it's going to be there in a quick second. So that's why XRP is going to replace Swift, and it already has, in my opinion. They probably just really haven't pushed that narrative yet. Let's see. So let me see what y'all are saying. Y'all ain't saying nothing. All right, cool. That's what's up. If you guys are just hopping on here, definitely hit that like button. I don't know who's on here. I just like to, keep the chat going. I'll talk with you guys. Y'all could talk amongst each other too. And if y'all have any Q&A, or y'all want to ask me questions, where I was from, what I'm into, y'all clearly know that I'm into anime. So I be posting, I post, some thumbnails with anime characters, and y'all know clearly I'm a Sonic the Hedgehog fan. So when it was crazy, because when I was younger, around, I'm gonna say in elementary school, it's funny because I used to wake up super early, like 5 a.m. just to watch the old school Sonic the Hedgehog cartoon. And Sonic was is my favorite cartoon character and my favorite video game. But the games have not been as promising over the years, so they need to make some better video games in the Sonic department. So yeah, I'm a huge Sonic fan, if y'all don't already know that. Let's see. So continuing on, RippleNet customers can use XRP for sourcing liquidity and cross-border transactions. All right. Instead of pre-funding, ensuring instant settlement, lower exchange fees, and more efficient use of working capital. So, that's self-explanatory. Spring is Ripple's open developer platform for money. Through Spring projects, developers leverage XRP, its underlying technology and use cases for micropayments, to e-commerce, to exchanges and peer-to-peer services. So, sending money to each other, sending money to companies, e-commerce, micropayments, the XRP, Spring as well. The whole system, it's just one whole system. They call it on-demand liquidity now, and so it gets to the point where it's talking about how does the ledger work. You guys could come to the page and read this for yourselves, and the benefits of XRP and payments. So Abdul, if you're still watching this, let me educate you why XRP is better. Fast, we know that it's 4 seconds, cool. 3 to 5 seconds, cool. So we get that. So if you look at the transaction settlement time, look at the comparison between Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. The proof is in the pudding right here. It's right there in your face. You can see this. Bitcoin, all right, 3,600 seconds plus transactions I'm seeing. So that's about 60 minutes. Litecoin 10 minutes. Ethereum 2 minutes. And then XRP 0.07 minutes, so which is pretty damn quick. So XRP all day, baby. Look at the scalability of it. So 1,500 transactions per second. So this is 24 hours. So look at Ethereum. It beats Bitcoin as well. So why invest in Bitcoin when it's the slowest? It's the transactions per second is trash. Even Ethereum beats Bitcoin. So where's the competition? I'm just trying to find. There's no competition when it comes to payments. Now, when it comes to popularity, that's a different story. Maybe Bitcoin might edge out in the popularity contest, but this isn't a popularity game. It's solving problems in a world that needs problems to be solved. We know XRP is more eco-friendly. We know that Bitcoin also takes a lot of energy to create with the mining. If I know some people that mine Bitcoin, and it takes a lot of electricity. Their electric bill is high when it comes to Bitcoin. So you look here, it's eco-friendly. The XRP ledger settles XRP transactions instantly without the energy costs associated with proof of work or mining. So you notice how they put or mining in parentheses. That's just a jab at Bitcoin. So don't take that personal, Bitcoin people. I'm just saying. If you look at the metrics here, settlement speed, seconds. Look at that. Look at this, you guys. There's no comparison. So there's nothing else to really say there. There's not. So let's go ahead. Let's get to this analysis in a second. I want to see if y'all are. Let's see. Y'all ain't saying anything yet. Actually, I don't even know why the. I don't even know if the live stream's actually going. I mean, the live chat is actually moving because on my end, I'm not seeing it move. But I guess y'all are saying something. Let me see. So let me see. Let me go down. Action Jackson, you said environmental impact cannot be overstated. XRP is, yeah, 57,000 times more efficient than Bitcoin. I would not touch Bitcoin with a 500-foot pole. Yep. Yeah, Bitcoin is not the best when it comes to transactions, my friend. Not at all. So I'm right there with y'all on that. So let me go ahead and jump into this analysis. I've been stalling a little bit, but if y'all remember from yesterday's live, called it in here. Look where we're at. We're heading up, but we have this little issue right here at between 30 and so it's like 30 and 870. No, let me see. Let me get the numbers right. 30, 87 and 6 through 31 and 173. So this is where we need to break through this zone here, this little bubble box, whatever you want to call it. We need to get through here. If we can't get through here, we will have some issues and we'll probably start ranging again. So if y'all see this, if what could happen if we don't get above here soon, we could see this movement down. Then we could see this movement back to the upside right here. Then we could see, something like this back down again. So I don't know yet. Did you just wake up? My niece is in my room, so hold on, you guys. Did you just wake up?
No.
You did it?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to have to talk to you later, all right? Because I'm doing a live stream. See you later, all right?
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams. All right. So, back to what I was saying. Let me actually set this up. Let me see. So right here, if we can't get past this purple box, expect the price to start, ranging again. And if I take off the cloud, you could see it very clearly what's going on with this market. Let me close that. You see that we've been ranging between these two red lines, that price been in here for so long. So this is just either accumulation phase, which will have a rally, then we'll have a base, then another rally, or we'll have a rally, a base, then a drop. But we don't know yet. Right now, the market's deciding how it's going to, fare in here. I'm bullish, so I have this rally, base, rally motion going. So until we break one of these red lines, that's going to decide the real move of the market. Even if we break here, the real move doesn't really begin until we break that 32-cent level. Everybody that is a XRP investor knows that the 32-cent level has been a bane in our foot. So you got to understand, we got to get past that 32-cent level. If we can't get past that 32-cent level, we will see some problems. But, I still think we could do it. Look, if you look here on the daily time frame, let me throw this cloud back on. If you look here on the daily, we see that the cloud is getting thicker, and we had a indecision down here, but you see the momentum is starting to rally back to the upside. We're starting to get candles that are bullish, 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 and they're strong bullish candles too. So this is letting us know that price wants to start pushing higher. So we just got to get past this purple box zone and this 32-cent level, and then we'll see that 34 and 40 and higher prices very soon. Now I'm going to look at it on one more time frame for you guys, because this is what I've been watching. The weekly time frame is where I'm really curious on how price is going to respond overall. So we see that this is a a little thin here. Cool, that's whatever. But this week is not. This week is concerning, this weekly candle. So let me show you this. Let me take off everything here. So if we look at the weekly candle, close needs to close higher than where price closed last week, which was at 29 cents and 420. So we need to close higher than that level, which is, we are doing so far. But we need to move a little bit higher than this price right now. So it's hard to say currently. Let me actually put regular candles, see if I could get a better read. So yeah, we're closing higher than this so far. As you can see, it's a good sign. So we need to see Chiku span as well, start to ease over the candlesticks, and then we'll start to see price move a bit higher. And I believe we could hit that 40 cent level soon, but it's really gonna take some work, you guys. We gotta tell our families and our friends about XRP. We gotta say, hey, get in their face about it. Hey, buy XRP, and look them dead in the eyes too. But anyway, we gotta definitely get to we gotta definitely break that 31 and 32 cent level before we go higher. So we will see. Let's see. What's up, Rodney? How you doing, man? What's going on, boy? Yeah, today has been a day. Today has been a day, Rodney. Let's see. If you love money, America, and the environment, buy XRP. Yep. Because first of all, XRP is American made. Secondly, it's eco-friendly. And then XRP is just a cool color, blue. So buy XRP. I think it's time, bro. I want to say 2 weeks, but I think it's breaking within the next week. Yeah, with everything that's happening right now, and Axton Jackson just made a valid point when I was reading the comments. Flare Network and Spark and the smart contracts makes a lot of other coins obsolete if you think about it. Yeah, he said that. So putting that into perspective too, and then also he brought up Codis also being running. So that's also something that is interesting as well. So I think looking at it like that, XRP is going to move a lot sooner than everybody's anticipating. A friend of mine said if it doesn't break, it's hitting 24 cents again. Yeah, I could see that. And I let me show you guys this. Let me put this back on. So it actually might go lower than 24 cents if it does break. If it does manage to go lower. The reason why, because you got to understand the market is fractal by nature. So whenever the market breaks a fractal, or so right here, this is where I'm looking at. So after we made our N wave here, it completed the N wave. It hit that 1-to-1 level, so that's complete. But whenever it hits that 1-to-1 level, usually what happens is price likes to, move sideways for a little bit. In this case, it has a good chance of doing that because we have some resistance here. That's obvious. And then we got this Chiku span here that's stuck in the price. So it needs to be over here. But right now what I'm seeing is if we can't get past that, what likes to happen, price usually likes to test the fractal level, which is in this bubble right here. So let me show y'all a little closer right here. So this level is at the 23 cent and 742 level. So if price fails to break above there, we could expect price to come back down to test here. Make sure it's a solid level of support. And once we get that, we could get another N wave and then bam, back to the upside. So this is also a likely scenario as well. I like to keep it real when it comes to these markets, because these markets is funky when it comes to cryptocurrency. So we could get a double N wave here. So we have this N wave and then a smaller N wave and then the takeoff. So we'll see. We don't know yet. We still got, a few weeks until a lot of other things are implemented. But right now, just know that we are at the 30 cent level. So that's a positive for us right now. And, once we're above this level, once the our candlestick is above this cloud, look how much space we have to fly. What is really stopping us out here? Let me paint a perspective for you guys. Once we're out in this range here, look at all that space. Green pastures, as the Lord will say. He leads me to green pastures. Look at that. Look at all that green space. Look at all that green space. So that's what I'm looking at. The promised land over here. Nothing but up. Nothing to block us, hinder us, just flying up. But we do have levels that we do got to get through too. So don't be ignorant about that. But it's not a lot of resistance. We've been coiled down for so long. If you look at that, and if you want to really break it down, if you really want to look at that monthly time frame, let's take a look at that. I do have this projected because you see this N wave here. I have XRP jumping to $26. I have November 1st, but I think November 1st is when things are going to start ramping up, or it'll start moving higher. Then by November 1st, we'll really see a push. So don't take my word on that. I just have, I have it going up to at least that $26 range based off the N wave or the Ichimoku wave theory. So I am watching that. It does look juicy here. That's what I'm really expecting, price to start moving a lot higher. So you guys, if y'all like what y'all see on these charts, drop some rocket ships in the comment section, and give this video, this live stream, a thumbs up. Subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are on XRP. Tell me about your favorite crypto asset. If it's not XRP, what projects are y'all looking forward to? And, let me know what y'all like in this crypto space, because there's so much to gather here, so much information. It's just exciting time to be an investor. And we know that our investments that we make are going to be pretty dope soon, because everybody knows that everything is trying to move digital. The COVID-19 got everybody scared of touching paper money. So what's going to happen? Everything's going to go digital. It's only makes sense to invest in cryptocurrencies at this point to be ahead of the game. And we know that, crypto is going to be, interesting in the later times. But right now, it's something that we need to really take serious and watch, because a lot of things are going to take and be formed around cryptocurrencies. So that's why I'm excited about this crypto space. Let me see. Let me read some of your comments. Let's see. All right. Let's go. We need them millions to kick in. Yeah. Millions, billions. And was it Donald Trump video where they were making fun of him, where they kept on putting him on repeat, where he kept on saying billions and billions and billions and billions? So we need them billions. We need them billions. We need them trillions. And we need them quadrillions of dollars to be moving in this space. And we are going to get this market is going to eventually be a quadrillion-dollar market once the derivative market is involved. And we know the derivative market is going to be under XRP. So it's only a matter of time, you guys. It's only a matter of time. Just hodl on, be strong. And that's a 10% consulting fee. So remember me when XRP moons. Let's see. I got 4 assets, and 3 of them I'm waiting on: XRP, ICX, and VET. Well, you might already be good with Vet. Vet's been on Vet been on a massacre. Is that Vet that was on a massacre? Hold on. Excuse me. Which one was it? No, forgive me. That was Link that I was talking about in my mind. I was thinking it was Vet, but Vet looks like it's about to take off too. So we will see. That'll be interesting. Let me look. I would like to see Vet hit 50 cents to 80 cents. It actually might. Axon Jackson. Yep. Smiley face. XRP Carlton. Yeah. I could look at Stellar and V Chain. Give me a moment. Let me just look through these comments real fast. XRP $26. Holy moly. When November 1st. Are you sure? Maybe next bull run. I said we have a good chance of doing it this year. I think the crypto space will move this year and not next year. So, and we know that the crypto space always goes crazy during the December season. So, November, December, we know that cryptocurrencies, boom, rockets. If y'all hear crying in the background, that's my niece being a crybaby right now. I don't know what's going on out there. I don't know. I'm sorry, but man, she be crying like for nothing sometimes, just attention. I'm just playing. But let me see. Let me take a look at Stellar and VeChain real quick for you, brother. And we will see. All right, here is Stellar. Looking pretty green right now. Let's look at it on the weekly. Wow, it actually got above that purple zone, so that's actually good. So this is actually interesting with Stellar right now, because right now on the weekly time frame, it's saying that the momentum's slow. So I guess I'm gonna give you a little bit of education lesson today with the clouds. I think the next live stream is going to be an education education lesson on how to read this, so it's not going to be too long. But looking at this, if you look here, market is flat on the weekly. You could see immediately because the blue line, the red line, the cloud, they're all flat lines. So this is showing us that the market is flat. So you don't need to really pay attention to the weekly time frame. But if you go down a little bit lower, let's see here. So this is what I said happened. So I said yesterday that if we don't manage to get above this red line, price will start to fall back down to this purple level. So let me actually move it over here a little bit, right in here. So actually, let me put a bubble around this area. So if we bubble this here, XRP, I'm going to say XRP, XLM or Stellar, whatever you want to call it. When you look at it right here, let me make this red so I don't get confused. So if you look right here, if it decides to not get above this level, then expect it to fall back into this purple zone, hold as support, maybe even the cloud level, but hold as support here, maybe even wick here, but hold here, and then eventually continue to climb to the upside. Because price, what needs to happen, if you look back in the past, we got this slingshot to the upside. It ranges, bounces off the cloud, comes down, bounces off the cloud at the very bottom of it. And then now it's ranging again. Now, if it comes down again, it could either come down to the very bottom of the cloud to finish this channel, bounce off the channel, and then continue to the upside. So we have some scenarios that we could pay attention to here, but we do have a bearish TK cross. A bearish TK cross is signifying that price can potentially start moving to the lower side. To confirm that, we would have to look at the 15, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour time frame. So I would start with the 1 hour, honestly, to really check. If you look in here, let's see. So it's actually going to really depend on what happens here. Let me get rid of that. Take that off right there. So if you look here, the chances of that happening is pretty interesting. We are above the cloud here on the 1 hour time frame. So price may actually want to start moving up higher. We do have this W formation, and we haven't completed the W yet. So we actually might come back to up to this red line looking at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is pretty strong here. The only thing I want to see happen is I want to see price break above, these fractal levels to get higher to this red one. We're pretty good. The only thing is Kijun's flat, so that means the market's in a range. We're currently on a bullish candle, so we could be moving higher. Chiku span is free, which is showing us that price is above, price is free to go higher right now. We have a bullish cloud showing some strong signs to the upside. So I think we will actually start moving back to this line instead of moving to the downside based off the 1 hour chart. So 15, let's see if I get a better reading. 15-minute looks ugly. If I'm to draw anything, let me actually get rid of this line real quick so I don't get distracted. If I'm going to mark this up, let me actually take off Ichimoku for a second. If I'm going to mark it up like I'm saying, we have this right here so far. Actually, let me put it right there. And now we have a triangle forming. So we're stuck in this triangle. So this is what could happen here. You got some DBZ action going on. You got the fight teleporting. It's like Goku versus Jiren right now. It's teleporting all over the place. So right now we could possibly reign inside this triangle. And then once we break out of this triangle, then we will know what direction we're going in. Since this is a symmetrical triangle, a symmetrical triangle is 50-50. So this is what we could expect in this market currently off the 15-minute time frame. So if you are a trader, I would look at this on the 15-minute time frame and trade based off that. Wait for that breakout and then take it. Now, if it explodes before that, say if it explodes too fast and you can't catch it, set a buy stop above this level and a sell stop below this level so you could catch the trade to either side. So you could win either way. It's just playing the market before it plays you. So that's my analysis on stellar lumens. And you said you wanted me to look at V-Chain. So let me look at V-Chain really quick, or at least get on the chart for it. And let's see. Let me see what y'all are saying in these comments. Let's see. More rocket ships. I like them rocket ships. I like that. XRP $10 this year, and then 2021 explosion. Yup. That's very likely. That's very likely to happen. But we will see. It could happen this year. It could happen late this year, but it will happen. We know it's gonna happen. Let me look at V-Chain real quick. V-Chain is I can't really look at V-Chain on this chart. It does look like it's holding above this level like I wanted it to, because if it could hold above here, that's a good sign. The only problem is Kijun's flat. It's because we haven't made a new high yet. So once we break above this, let's see, this 2 cent level. Is this 2 cent? Once we break above that 2 cent level, then we could see higher prices here. Who's that? Okay, that's just okay. So once we break above that level, then we could see higher prices. But right now, this market's flat on the daily, so you can't really trade the daily. So you need to look at the 15 through 4 hour. Once again, I'm gonna jump to the 1 hour, get some more information there. Ooh, I don't like. Okay, let me go ahead and delete all this. We already got that story here. Let me delete that. So we are holding here, which is pretty solid. That's fine. If I take this off, we do have a little bit of a W formation coming down here, and then come up, and then here again. And so if market could hold here and we could get price action above this red line, which is looking like what could happen, we could see V-Chain move higher towards, this level here. But looking at the cloud, let's see, I might have to go down to the 15 for this one. Yeah, let me see. All right, so looking here at the 15, let me see if I could see a pattern or not. because right now I don't see anything really worth jumping into it right now. But right now, I still say overall it's bullish long term, which is most of the crypto space. Let me see here. So we are following this trend line right here, but we are also making this pattern as well, which is a Y wave. So anybody that's not familiar with Ichimoku or the wave theory, which is the true origin of the Elliott wave, if you remember what I was saying about a Y wave, it usually is, it starts off, a little smaller on the other side, and then it gets wider and wider as it gets bigger. So what we could see here is a bounce. If it is a true Y wave, we could see price bounce up higher, maybe to this range a little bit, then move higher. Once it bounces off this point, anything could happen. So that's why trading a Y wave is dangerous sometimes. If it is a true Y wave, we could see that move all the way up to this point. So that is also on the table as well. Let me maybe make this a green one. But right now, that's what I see right now with this asset in VeChain. Sometimes you gotta go down to a low time frame to get the juice in the meat of the market. But right now the market is interesting. I'm gonna say that for sure. Let me see, visibility, take that down. Okay, cool. But yeah, that's what I see so far. I'm not going to jump in too quickly yet. But if you are looking for a buying opportunity, I would buy in right here. Or wait till the candle closes. Wait till you get 2 bullish candles, then buy some more VeChain. If you don't get 2 bullish candles, then I wouldn't take it. But other than that, it looks like a good buying opportunity here so far. So let's see. My phone is blowing up, so I need to put that to the side. But let me put this back on. I hope you got the information that you needed, my friend, on VeChain and Stellar. So I hope that analysis helped you out. Let's see. My guess. LOL. Okay, I read that. 2017 bull run. XRP hit 36,000%. If XRP hit 36,000%, XRP will be $72. Man, wow, that's a huge return. 20,000 percent XRP $60, and 10,000% XRP $30. Hey, if it happens, it happens. Let's hope it happens, right? XRP Carlton, thanks. Yeah, you're welcome, man. No problem. No problem. That would imply a 40 trillion market cap. Yeah, and that market cap will be based off the foreign exchange market and probably, whatever other market that they're putting money into. So, yeah, that would imply that for sure. And most of that money will be put into XRP once they figure out that Bitcoin's a joke. And honestly, this is what I think could happen. Let's say if Bitcoin fails, right? Where you think that money is going to go to? People want to deny it, but smart investors will put their money into cheaper assets to make a higher return. So that BTC money will go into probably XRP, Stellar Lumens, VeChain, projects like IC or IXC or whatever it's called. It will go into those cheaper assets. And so that would imply that the market will move those markets more. But we know XRP will probably be more dominant because it's going to be the bridge asset. So it would have to be a higher price for, to move all these cryptocurrencies and in the new financial the quantum financial system that we're getting built for us. So, you guys, it's only a matter of time. It's very close. Everybody could taste it. Everybody could almost feel it. It's just like it's just right there. It's like a tease almost. Y'all ever been teased in a relationship before or teased by somebody you like? That's what XRP's a tease. It's like, man, you're showing me, what you got, but you ain't showing me what you got. Shoot. Let me see. Do you think it will be this year or like 2024? No, I think sooner. I think much sooner. I think this year is the year that it'll be solidified. You can't deny everything that's been put into place. Like everything that's been put into place up until this point, it's I want to say it's obvious, but at the end of the day, in crypto, you never know. But I think it's this year. I really do believe it's this year where price will start pushing up, and price will start, going higher and starts going to ridiculous, numbers. But everybody's, that's why I wanted to talk about this tech war going on with let me go to Twitter, see if I still have that posted. But this tech war between the United States and China. So XRP is the United States and Bitcoin is China. I don't know how people support, Bitcoin because it's backed by a communist country, which really don't give a damn about us. They really don't give a damn about nobody but themselves and about fueling their own economy and, making that money and being a superpower. Excuse me. So let me go down. Actually, let me let y'all watch this real quick.
The quantum financial system technically went live on Sunday, the 8th. Where are we now? Sunday the 8th. Where are we now? We're Saturday. Sunday the 2nd it went live. And they pinged every bank in the world to make sure it worked. And they've been trying to get it started this week. It'll probably start next week. It's a digital banking system. It's backed by gold.
Backed by gold,
y'all.
How is this connected to Ripple that I've been hearing a bit about?
XRP Ripple is a gold-backed cryptocurrency. The blockchain system is being used for the banking system. So they'll run parallel for a period of time. I don't know how long that might be, days, might be weeks. No, we don't know yet. They haven't told me. As they wind down the fiat financial system, which is the SWIFT banking system with the Federal Reserve, Donald Trump has taken total control of the Federal Reserve, put it into the Treasury, and he's got all the right people in there who are managing it right now. But every single time they try and transition it,
y'all hear that?
He head pokes his head up and tries to hijack it.
Right.
So y'all heard that. It's pretty much here. It's here, but when they decide to really pull that trigger, take aim, look into the sky, and shoot. Oh yeah, believe that price is gonna explode ridiculously, and it's gonna cause FOMO. It's going to look like a massive pump, and that's what they want to get. They want to get a reaction, and the reaction that they want is to say, oh my God, I'm missing out. People are going to make accounts so fast to get in on the train. And once they get in, they're going to be behind because we were the early investors in XRP. And it's only a matter of time, you guys, only a matter of time before it really starts taking off. So I'm excited. Y'all heard it from his mouth. You can't deny it. It's almost here. It's pretty much here actually. Let me check out these comments. Quantum computing banking is here. Yeah, it's funny you say that because I think it was like last year I had a private conversation with Kevin Cage, and he was asking me questions about my thoughts on quantum computing. He's like, why do you think XRP is going to be so high a price? You know, if y'all want to really hear what I think the price of XRP is going to be, maybe I'm an insider, maybe I'm not. But I think XRP is really going to be at 50K per coin. And it's because of quantum computing. And if you understand quantum computing, just a few pieces of quantum computers is like worth $1 billion. All right. Now you factor how much it's worth. You know, they're going to want to make their money back from, you know, putting all these pieces together. Here's the next phase. You got to realize how many cryptocurrencies are going to be used, how many cryptocurrencies are here, what's the value of these other cryptocurrency assets. So you have to realize the higher the price of XRP, the cheaper these transaction fees and moving these currencies around is going to be. So that's my thoughts on why I think XRP is going to be at least, you know, a 5-digit number, 50K, honestly, in XRP prices. So, you know, let's see. I hope I'm right. Let's see. A high price stablecoin backed by gold. Gold will pass 3K. I agree. Goldman Sachs going to play a huge role in that, so prepare to see a lot more Goldman Sachs news very soon. Most people are not getting it. Yep, nobody's getting it, man. Action Jackson says fits in with what David was saying on here over a week ago. Yeah, you're right. You know, I think that was David Schwartz on the live feed, man. I really think it was. I reached out to him. He didn't say anything, but I really think he was on this live feed because it is, you know, it is based off what he was, or if it was him, you know, it matches everything that he was saying on the live stream. So I'm very excited to see if that was really him and he was spitting some nuggets to us without us really realizing it. XRP is a different species. It is really. It's its own breed. It's XRP's in the world, but not of the world. But yeah, that's definitely, you know, something that I agree with. XRP is in a class of its own. Let me see. I don't know. I made a Cinnamon video account. I don't know if y'all use Cinnamon. Apparently, Cinnamon is like YouTube, but for crypto. So if y'all want to follow me on Cinnamon, it's just at Cash Flow Nexus. I keep things so basic and simple, you guys. I don't like to do extra intricate type of stuff. So if y'all want to follow me on Cinnamon or Coil at all, you know, check me up on you know, at Cash Flow Nexus. And I do post analysis on there as well. I might not post as much on there, but I do post on Coil. Excuse me, man. I'm burping a lot today, man. But I do post on Coil my poetry. So if y'all like to hear that, definitely, you know, let me know. But I'm about to read y'all a poem in a second because, you know, somebody, Zach, you had said that you wanted to hear my poem. So I have to go through and see which one I want to read. Let's see. Let me see. I want to show y'all what I was really wanting to talk about on here because it had to do with Bitcoin. And okay, here it is. Finally found it. So Ripple had said this the other day, well, like 3 days ago. There's a tech cold war brewing between the U.S. and China, and crypto regulations could determine who comes out on top. Here's why. So you guys check out that article, and, you know, it got quite a few likes on there. But, you know, we have to understand that this whole battle in politics right now, it's not just, it's a global thing that people don't understand. If China wins this war in the crypto regulations, you guys got to understand we are in some serious trouble because China is a communist country. If your beliefs does not line up with theirs, You are jacked. You are screwed. You're an enemy of the state. You're an enemy of the country. You're an enemy to that their president, Xi Jinping, Zhang Shang. I don't know. Forgive me, I'm being silly right now. But I don't know his name, but Xi Jinping, I think he's a tyrant. If you know, he does not care about nothing but the benefit of his country and benefit of him. So, I had posted this on Twitter. I said, invest in XRP, not Bitcoin. As Americans, if you truly care for this country, you understand how important this tech war is between China and, the United States. Without divulging into too many details, understand Bitcoin isn't designed to help. Too many things behind the scenes going on. And then I said, Bitcoin was created to destroy you, not save you. And this is the truth of, what really is out there, because Bitcoin is not, it's already messing up the ecosystem. It's expensive to make because you have to, electricity cost. So, and then you have to mine it. Why would you have to mine something and continue to mine something when it disappears? That's crazy to me. So I don't see the value of Bitcoin. You have to mine it to keep it running and going. What if your mining systems fail and shut down when there's already a supply that's already put out there? So this is why I'm leaning towards XRP too. So you guys, you got to realize XRP it's a winner. I don't see the comparison of XRP and Bitcoin. It looks like Vet is trying to break down. Ooh, maybe I was wrong here. That's interesting. Well, this candle hasn't closed yet, so we will see. It could be a wick. Let me see. I'll keep that up to date for you guys. Let me check XRP. What's going on here? So XRP is looking like it wants to bounce off the cloud here. We just got a bullish cross, so this is actually a good sign right now for XRP. If you notice here, price came up, bounced off the cloud, went up, came down, get some momentum, came here again, bounced off the cloud, went back up. Now we're up here now, came down, bounced off the cloud, looks like we went up again. Now we're looking to see if price wants to bounce back up off the cloud, and it looks like it wants to do that right now with XRP because we have a bullish cloud. This is angling up. The only thing I don't like here is that the green line is stuck right here, so I'm not convinced quite yet that it's ready to explode here yet. Maybe it might range a little bit more, but right now I wouldn't touch it just yet. Not yet anyway. And also here, I would wait for the RCI, the blue line, to get above the 0 to confirm that. Then I'll, be more, accepting of moving higher in price. But right now, no, not yet. Funny how Orchid's pump 26%, but XRP can't pass 30 cents. It's definitely being suppressed. Yeah, it's being suppressed for a reason, man. The reason why, in my opinion, it's just my thoughts on this. I think what they're trying to figure out is how much the value of the other crypto assets. They're going to check the real value of other ones first to see how far they could push it. Because if you realize that XRP is going to be the bridge asset to all these, the prices of the other crypto assets are going to affect XRP, because XRP would have to be at a high price to even make those other crypto assets cheaper when it comes to converting it into another coin. So when you convert, let's say, like Ethereum into XRP, that price for XRP needs to be high, so the conversion could be a little bit lower, and that fee could be a little bit lower if you're sending Ethereum as well. So it's going to be interesting how this plays out. I think it's being suppressed for that reason. Could I be wrong? Yeah, of course I could be wrong, but you can't say it's not suppressed at this point. It's crazy how, Chainlink has not been around that long, and then all of a sudden, boom, $18, and then it had it dropped down to 16 for a correction. So, it's crazy how people you can't deny that it's not suppressed. It's obviously suppressed. So it even looks like it's suppressed. It should have been exploded. with all the bullish news. If we were going based off news, XRP should have been 100K by now if we're going based off news. So it's crazy. It don't make sense. It really don't. Let's see. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree 100%. But we will see how it plays out. You never know when it comes to these markets, man. You never know. I'm going to look at Bitcoin versus XRP versus Bitcoin. Where's that? Right here. If it pops up. All right, so we are here now. Let's take a look at the daily charts first. So I think I was saying this yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. So we have this N wave possibly forming, and you see that price is moving up. So I did say that this flat line key June. Oop, let me put that back. Well, I did it again, whatever. But anyway, this key June level, I said that the flat line here, which is this blue line, I said it would bounce here. So it did. So now the test right now is getting past this level. Why? I don't know why they have it in Satoshis. I don't like reading Satoshis. That's too much. Like, you got all these zeros. I don't got time to read all these zeros. So anyway, whatever Satoshis here, if you look at it, price is price needs to get above this current level, this line here. If it can't get above, then yeah, we'll see some ranging. But I believe that we could do that. It's just not on this time frame. I would have to monitor this on the 15 to 4 hour time frames. Let me actually make sure this is visible. So moving down to the 1 hour, let's take a peek. So we see that here on the 1 hour, price is actually dropping, but that's fine, because what could happen if you look at it first glance is coming back to test right here. So that's fine as long as price holds above this red zone, we'll be fine. But if it breaks below, then expect lower prices in Bitcoin versus XRP, or XRP versus Bitcoin, whatever you want to say. But right now it looks like price wants to come down a little bit, but we'll see how it fares right here. We still have a whole 37 minutes for this candle to close, so anything could happen. Like you see here, price came down and then rejected this level, and then it rocketed up, and then you see price start moving higher. So we could get something like that as well, come down here, then start moving higher. So there's no bullish sign just yet. If we're looking at Heikin-Ashi candles, let's see. Heikin-Ashi candles is showing a strong sell here, so I wouldn't get in the market just yet. Market's showing some weakness, just a little bit, but that's fine. I still expect this to start moving higher long term. Now, looking at it on the 15-minute time frame, let's take a peek. Who's that? Okay. So looking at it on the 15-minute time frame, it looks like it's holding here. It's slowing down a little bit. This is flat, so that's a good sign that market may range in here. So what I may want to do for this market is play it as a range. If you're a day trader, this is the strategy I would use. Mark this level. Make sure if you're going to trade it to the downside, make sure it breaks this level and that you have some momentum coming to the downside. If you don't have that momentum, don't take that trade. Otherwise, you're going to get caught up in some foolishness like this, and then price will come back up. So you don't want to get stuck in something like this. So wait for that momentum. If you start seeing bullish candles, you know what to do. Take that trade to the upside, and that's how I would play that move. But other than that, Bitcoin, XRP versus Bitcoin, long-term bullish. The only problem here on the weekly time frame, there's so much thickness in this cloud. There's so much thickness here. We are in a bullish TK zone. If you take off these candles, The blue and the red line look like they're about to cross one another. So if we could get that cross there, then that gives us some hope for prices to move higher to the upside as well. And we could get a crazy move like this back here in 2017. Just explosive movement to the upside. It's violent. Look how violent that move was. So if we could get another violent movement like that, then that would be great. If you look back here in the past, it went from, starting at the bottom, it went from like, I don't even know what that number is right there. But you look here, that first move was 134% right there. So that was just the first candle. Now from that first candle to the second candle, if you go here, that was a 349% move. And actually was actually bigger than that, because let me actually take these candles off real quick, show the real move. So the real move for that, the highest point was 649%, and then it dropped down a little bit, and then it ended up being a 447% move. The highest that it got, that was a 772% move at that point. So, man, you know, depending on how this market plays, you guys, either way, we're going to see some nice returns for XRP very soon. So just hold and make sure you're staying vigilant in your trading and also in your investing. So I'm gonna go ahead and read y'all a poem. After I read y'all a poem, I'm gonna be done because I think I covered pretty much everything I wanted to cover today. If you guys have any questions, you know, feel free to shoot your questions in the live stream box. I will definitely, you know, answer your questions. It could be personal questions, it could be crypto questions, it could be anything. I'm an open book, so go ahead and shoot it at me. So let me see, what is a good poem I could read you guys. All right, so here's a poem here. Man. So the name of this poem is called One Truth. And, you know, I'm a big believer on the truth. So, you know, I always like to, you know, make sure that the truth is always getting out. So I named this one Truth. So it goes like this. At the end, one truth stands. Another door, another question. Many doors, many questions. Behind some doors are lies. Behind some doors are truths. Collect the pieces of the puzzle. Assemble the jigsaw of revelation. Vast knowledge is powerful. In return, creating smarter devils, but blinding you from the truth. Sophisticated and eloquent words attract. Truth, the double-edged sword, repels. Many shall be subdued like crashing waves. Few will walk through the door of truth. Remain on the narrow path, not to astray. Open your faith, not your eyes. The flesh lies and dies. The spirit speaks truth and lives. Yet you go by what you see, not led by the spirit but false idols. The lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, the pride of life will surely end in torment. So pick your door in blind faith. Your ultimatum will decide your fate. One truth. So that was my poem. I wrote this one, you know, I wrote this one some time ago. I don't remember when I exactly wrote. I need to check the date. I don't be labeling the dates on my poems. I need to start doing that. But I actually am writing a poetry book. So if y'all are going to definitely, you know, if y'all are interested in poetry, you know, I will release that poetry book. I got so many poems I have written down. I have poems for days. And then there's some that I don't even have on my phone. I have them on my computer. So yes, If y'all definitely want to hear some more poetry in the future, let me know. I'll make Friday nights a poetry night as well. So, yes, open your faith, not your eyes, because we walk by faith and not by sight, my friends. So, yes, my faith in XRP will go up, is strong. My eyes cannot deceive me. Your eyes will deceive you, but your faith will never deceive you, man. You just got to have some faith and move it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. If you enjoyed it, like this live stream, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this live stream. I appreciate you guys for jumping on here. I'm going to try to get some music for you guys. I'm still trying to learn how to do that because I don't know if it's going to take up a lot of CPU energy from my computer. Because if it does, then the live streams are going to be slow and a little grainy. So I don't want that. But I do want to make sure that you guys are entertained and having fun, and y'all get to see my personality come out, because y'all might see me dance on here if the music's banging. I don't know, but when music's good, something about it just takes over, and I just like, yeah, I start dancing. So, you guys, I appreciate you guys for joining me on this live stream. Like this live stream. Subscribe, and definitely stay tuned for the next. And if you are interested in being a student or getting some access to future content or being a part of my Discord, go to my channel and hit the join button and become a member, and I will definitely put you in my Discord group, and you will get a lot of exclusive content that I don't put out too much on YouTube. And if you become a member, I will make exclusive content just for you. So stay tuned for that. God bless you guys. See you in the next live stream, and peace. All right.